Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize insurance discounts with MetLife, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by understanding the types of insurance discounts offered by MetLife. Visit the MetLife website to access the insurance discount section. Review the categories of insurance such as auto, home, and life. Identify which discounts apply to your specific policy type. Create an account on the MetLife website if you haven't already. Log into your account to view your current policies and potential discounts. Gather necessary information about your current coverage and payment details. Explore the various discount options, such as multi-policy, safe driver, and good student discounts. Check eligibility requirements for each discount type. Compile the documentation needed to prove your eligibility for the discounts. Contact MetLife customer service for assistance if any discounts are unclear. Consider bundling different types of insurance to maximize savings. Evaluate your coverage regularly to identify any changes that could qualify you for additional discounts. Submit any required documentation through the online portal or by mail. Keep track of your claims and renewals to ensure discounts are applied continuously. Monitor yearly changes in MetLife's discount offerings, as these can vary. Review your renewal documents carefully to confirm all applicable discounts have been included. Stay informed about any promotional offers MetLife may provide. Consider participating in wellness programs to earn additional savings, especially in life insurance. Utilize MetLife's online tools to calculate potential savings from discounts. Lastly, make adjustments to your coverage as needed to ensure you're always getting the best possible rates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.